Hi, let's see how Demisto and RedLock offers automated cloud security and incident response through rich API integration and built-in functionality. This integration combines RedLock's comprehensive cloud monitoring and compliance capabilities with that of Demisto's security orchestration and automation capabilities to help security operation teams to unify their security functions across cloud and on-premise environments and accelerate detection and response. Let's take a step back and briefly discuss cloud security challenges faced by organizations today. Firstly, the varied levels of access and deployment demands flexibility in security. This is primarily because of different development and production environments, fragmented compliance processes, and improper device encryption techniques. Secondly, there is a lack of visibility due to expanded threat surface and disparate ecosystems. Lack of perimeter enforcement, third-party data processors, and connected devices makes it even harder to manage. Thirdly, the lack of scalable identity and access management leads to a range of security issues such as account hijacks, insider threats, and lateral movement. All these challenges further adds to the already growing number of alerts, inconsistent processes, and long mean time to response. Demisto Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response Platform enables security operation teams to standardize incident management workflows and accelerate incident response actions through playbook automation. With hundreds of built-in out-of-the-box integrations, thousands of security actions, and cross-correlations, Demisto helps in responding to incidents with speed and scale. The platform provides rich features and functionality such as virtual war room, investigation canvas, and machine learning capabilities that improves investigation quality, helping security teams collaborate and learn. Demisto provides task-based workflows called playbooks, along with a visual playbook editor with the ability to track SLA and metrics. This helps in standardizing incident management process. All these capabilities directly helps business to reduce risk. Organizations can use Demisto's dashboards and reports and auto documentation capabilities to monitor and measure improved ROI. Let's see how the integration works. RedLock takes your raw cloud data and context, aggregates it, and brings it up to an alert. And Demisto ingests that alert and helps you further enrich and respond across all your other security products across both on-premise as well as cloud-hosted infrastructures. RedLock acts as one window ingestion source for AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform and data from other security sources as well. Demisto ingests that alert from RedLock, and through task-based workflows, security teams can automatically enrich and respond across their security environment. Demisto integrates with hundreds of security vendors today, and that includes top 4 or 5 products from every security category and even allied fields. That includes integrations with other security providers such as malware analysis tools, threat intel sources, security information event management platforms, endpoint tool, email, firewall, ticketing, and so on. RedLock Demisto integration provides three key benefits to the security operation teams. Firstly, it helps in unifying security functions by helping analysts correlate security alerts across public clouds and on-premise security products. Secondly, it helps in orchestrating cloud security actions and provides collaborative workspace, machine learning, and cross-correlations to speed up investigations. And lastly, it helps in automating repeatable steps by leveraging task-based workflows that automate actions to standardize and scale incident response. Now let's see this in action. Demisto has hundreds of integrations with different security category products built in out of the box. Each API integration in Demisto exposes several commands for creating task-based workflows called playbooks. While on the Demisto platform, go to the Settings page and click on Servers and Services and search for RedLock integration. Demisto has a bidirectional API integration with RedLock. These integrations helps in performing different kind of security response actions, including dismissing alerts while matching the given filter, getting details of an alert based on alert ID, listing the acceptable filters and values for alerts, reopen the alerts matching the given filter, as well as searching alerts on the RedLock platform. Adding an instance of RedLock is very easy and intuitive. You can also add multiple instances of RedLock. All one needs is to input the server URL and credentials and select few options such as proxy settings, fetching incidents, selecting the incident type, and so on and so forth. There's also an option to test the integration before completion. Once the integration is complete, the alerts from RedLock are ingested into Demisto and are visible to the analyst on the incidents page, where the analyst can view the incident name, incident ID, incident type, severity, status, playbook, when did it occur, and so on and so forth. All these field values can be selected from the setting page to choose your preferences. As we can see here, there is an alert from RedLock on some EC2 instance communicating with well-known ports known to mine Bitcoin. We can also see that it's an M&A server, but we need more details around this alert. To know more about this alert, the analyst needs to go to the investigation page by simply clicking on the alert. That takes you to the sixth section, investigation views, located on the left-hand side of the page. While on the summary page, the analyst can view more details around the alert. In this case, we know that unless this traffic is part of the authorized applications and processes, your instances may have been compromised. The analyst can also view the alert severity, alert source, the recommendation, as well as the alert ID. The analyst can also assign an owner for this incident right from the summary page. On the war room, the analyst can view all the artifacts and can take actions such as marking as an evidence, note, viewing the artifact in a new tab, attaching to task. The analyst can also add other team members to help with the alert investigation as well as run commands from the built-in CLI located at the bottom of the page. Now let's take a look at what response actions the playbook has accomplished. The playbook has already run in the work plan. Each rectangular box that you see on the screen is a human action that can take typically several hours. Demisto provides built-in out-of-the-box playbooks as well as the flexibility for the analyst to create their own playbooks from the playbook page. In this case, the response to cryptocurrency mining alert from RedLock is a playbook, which is a task-based workflows to respond to potentially compromised instance. So let's see what the playbook has done here. The playbook marks and prints the alert as an evidence, which can be viewed by clicking on this rectangular box. It has opened a ticket in Jira. It has extracted indicators as well as enriched those indicators of compromise, and if any malicious indicators are found during this check, then those IPs are blocked at the firewall. Similarly, we need to quarantine the instances. So the playbook has already accomplished quarantining the instances. So let's see what it has done. It has captured the instance details. It gets the security group details. It takes the volume snapshot, creates a tag for the EC2 instance, as well as changes the network interface security group to Demisto, essentially quarantining the instance. Once the instance has been quarantined after taking backup and creating a tag, the playbook has also initiated a scan on the EC2 instance and also capture running processes and perform memory capture actions, and then send an email to the analyst for the analyst review. Once the analyst has responded, it has updated the ticket in the ticketing system as well as automatically generated an investigation summary report. And this report can be basically automatically sent to email to all the stakeholders. And once all these actions are completed, it sends an alert notification to the security team to the final review and then potentially close the investigation. Now, all these actions typically takes several days and hours today. Demisto's playbook can accomplish the same actions within few minutes. On the evidence page, what we have seen here is the playbook has already recorded few evidences. for the retrospective review purposes page. Let's go to the related incidents page. As you see, there are multiple alerts in action, and on this page, you can mark different incidents as linked or duplicate based on the common indicators of compromise. Finally, on the canvas page, one can actually visually correlate different alerts and send a snapshot to the war room as well as save it as an image. Thank you.